In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your PayPal account on the computer. If you're looking for a tutorial on how you can do it on mobile, I'll leave that link in the description below, or there'll be a card up on the screen. So to do it on the computer, come to paypal.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you might be taken to an advertisement, but you just want to get to the main PayPal page. So here we are on the PayPal dashboard. Mine is a business account, so the interface might be a little bit different. But what you do is you go up into the settings cog in the top right, you click on that, and then go to my account settings. Under the account type, you should see what account you have, and then you should see close account. All you need to do now is click on close account. Now you may get a message saying your account can't be closed. This will be due to your recurring payments that you have. So if you've got any recurring payments set up that are going to come out through PayPal, I'll leave a link in the description below or a card on screen now, which is going to show you how you can delete them. But once you've deleted them, there will be a box here which says close account, and then you'll just be able to close your PayPal account. So that's how you can close a PayPal account on the computer. If this video did help you out, please make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.